Hello gorgeous and welcome to my channel. I don't know where that voice just came from, but hey, thanks so much for stopping by or stopping back. My name is Patranila and you are watching Patranila TV, where we talk about all things beauty, lifestyle, and personal tech. So today I am doing an unboxing for you of one of my favorite subscription boxes, and it's a lifestyle box from Rachel Zoe, and it's called The Box of Style. If you don't know, Rachel Zoe is a fancy schmancy celebrity stylist, and she introduced this subscription box to the masses maybe a couple of years ago, and it is one of my favorites. I talk about it on the blog a lot, which is thepatranilaproject.com, of course, and the link to that will be in the description box. Full disclosure, this is not a sponsored video. If you do purchase a subscription or an individual box using my link, which will also be in the description, I will earn a commission, but they did not send me this box. I bought it with my very own money. Because I love it that much. So this is the winter 2018-2019 box that shipped sometime in December, and I'm a little late getting to do this unboxing, but I never really pushed to get the either I'm going to write a post or do a video about it. I don't really push to do it in a timely manner because usually by the time I get my box and open it and can do an unboxing or a review or whatever, the boxes have already sold out. So I kind of just do them just so that you can see what kinds of things you would get should you choose to subscribe to the Rachel Zoe Box of Style. So this sold out like lickety split. They always do. And you had to place your order like back in, I don't know, I feel like it was October that the winter boxes went on sale, and they didn't ship until mid-December, almost at Christmas. So in any event, this is a beautiful rose gold themed box. Rose gold is one of my favorites. It's very popular. It's a lot of people's favorites. I have a rose gold ring on. I've got a rose gold smartwatch. Listen, I'm all about the rose gold, so I was very, very happy to see that for this season's box. A few details before we get into it. The Box of Style is a seasonal subscription, so it happens 4 times a year. And I think sometimes she has done a special limited edition box so that there may be a 5th one in the year. And each individual box is $99 if you just do one off or one to the next. But if you do a yearly subscription, I think it's $349, so you save $50. And each box gives you, it costs you $99, but they are valued at over $400. And I'm sorry if you're hearing that noise. There is someone upstairs who is, I don't know, moving furniture or something. It's the middle of the night. Like, I do this at the middle of the night just because, and yeah, whatever. So, okay, so let's get right into it. So this month, and every month actually, there is a Rachel Zoe Box of Style exclusive. So there's one item that you can only get in the Box of Style, and this month it is this lovely vegan leather handbag, and it's actually a tote bag, and it's beautiful. And let me just say, they're calling it vegan leather, which of course we know is a marketing term. When I was growing up, we called things that weren't leather but were pretending to be leather, pleather. And I'm entirely dating myself, but I don't care, I'm a grown woman. And so then once I got to be an adult, but not as much of an adult as I am now, we called it faux leather. Well, now we're calling it vegan leather. So it's lovely. Now I am a tote bag fan. All I carry is damn totes. So, but they're usually shoulder bags. Now this one has the handles, and it's got this beautiful braiding detail, which I really, really like. And I haven't carried it. And one of the things that I did think about it was really weird because it also has this strap. And I thought, why on earth would I want a bag that had a strap and the handles? Because when you're carrying it with the strap, let's say you're going to do it as a crossbody bag or something, or I don't know that these things would be flopping in the way, and I didn't quite understand it as a design element, but in any event, I think it's beautiful. It feels really good. It looks really good. It's a sturdy bag. The construction is good. It almost stands up on its own. You know, it's not one of those floppy flop over bags. But the other day I was on the subway and I saw a girl with one on her lap, and she was apparently using it and using the strap, which is adjustable, by the way. And she didn't seem to have any problems with the fact that these things were kind of just there flopping around. And I thought, oh, maybe you're just being finicky, Jefferson, and you know, that's entirely possible. So in any event, I do like the bag. I think it's beautiful. It's well made. It's well constructed. I will give you one note though. When you first get it, it comes with quite a heavy scent, and whatever it is that is the vegan leather or whatever it is that they use to make the bag has a very strong scent. So I took it out of the plastic wrapping that it was in and I let it breathe for a really long time before that smell went away completely. And it's gone now. There's not even a hint of it or a whiff of it. So just be mindful that if you do order one, and I'm pretty sure you can order any of the things in the box a la carte from boxofstyle.com. I think that's what the address is. I don't know. I'll put it, the link will be in the description box. So if you do decide to get one, know that it does come with fragrance. Yeah. The next piece in the Box of Style, and I should say that it is a Box of Style, so it is very style heavy, but you also get beauty products as well, and sometimes there's even something for your home. So the next thing is this lovely rose gold watch by Eddie Borgo, New York. And it is, see, I haven't even taken it out of the box. It comes in a box like that. And it still has the plastic on it because it takes me a long time to incorporate new things into my wardrobe. And particularly with watches, it's difficult for me to do because I wear my smartwatch, you know, it tracks my steps, connects to the phone, you can talk to people on it. Listen, it's tough to get this thing off my wrist. But anyway, this is a beautiful, delicate, dainty, and rather feminine rose gold mesh watch that I think is really lovely. Yeah, you can see that. It's really pretty. So that's a win. And then the next style item is this beautiful but fragile knuckle ring that I unfortunately broke. See, it's in two pieces because I don't know what I was thinking. I think I was trying to make an adjustment to kind of make it fit my finger or fit the finger that I wanted it on, and it just didn't work out, and it doesn't bend but it does break, and I absolutely broke mine. But anyway, if you can imagine, or I'm going to try and show it to you here, it's really pretty. So it's got these three it kind of looks like maybe it's a collection of rings, but it's really just the one. And I'm so upset with myself that I broke mine because this was, I feel like this was the thing that I really wanted in the box because I'm a big fan of rings. But I broke it. Anyway, it's by Love AJ, and check them out. They have pretty things, but they are not sizable. Don't do what I did. Oh my God. That's it for the styling pieces. And for the beauty items this month, we have the Luna Sleeping Night Oil by Sunday Riley. And I'm not sure if you're, I'm not sure if that's focusing for you. I hope it is. Also, I'm sorry about the lens focus noises. I'm having some technical difficulties, but listen, we'll make it through. So in any event, Sunday Riley is a really popular beauty brand. They have quite the cult following, and I'm not exactly sure what this sleeping night oil is, but I'm gonna consult our handy dandy product guide that comes in the box, and it is going to tell me what this sleeping oil is for. Combat fine lines and wrinkles, even texture, and reduce the appearance of pore size. This is also a cruelty-free product and is formulated without parabens, sulfates, or phthalates, which are all the things that we do not want in our skincare. So apparently you apply this after cleansing but before moisturizing at night. And this is something that works overnight for more even-toned and youthful skin. So it's kind of like a serum. You put it on after you cleanse your face, but before your moisturizer. So I will pop back in with thoughts and feelings when I get a chance to use this. It has a dropper. I love products that have a little drop. Ooh, it's blue. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. That's fancy. You can see that color. That is, wow. I wasn't expecting that. Huh. So let me see. Do they say anything about this blue in here? Hold on, people. Wait a minute. Hold on. Wait a minute. Oh. The blue oil turns clear as you massage it into your skin. Let's check that out. Let's see if that works, girls. Let's see. We'll try it on our hand right now. So that's blue. You know, I don't want to spill it. There it is. It's blue. And oh, look at that. It does turn clear, sort of, after a while. All right. It's got a nice little fragrance. Oh, that feels pretty good. All right, this seems like it'll probably, oh, it's rich. It's got a nice little velvety texture. The fragrance is serious. It's not a bad fragrance, but it's definitely, oh, that goes away. Okay, so, all right, lightly fragranced. I am totally turned on by its blueness. I just thought the bottle was blue. Check it out. Open stuff. See what in the heck is going on, girly. Okay. And then last up, we have the Velvet Dream Smoothing Balm by Amika or Amaka. Not sure which one that is, but it seems to be something for the hair. Let's check it out. Okay, so you're supposed to apply it to your damp hair before blowing out for a smooth and sleek look. So it's a blow dry balm. Nice. Okay, so that is it for the winter 2018-2019 Rachel Zoe box of style. We had 3 style pieces: a watch, a ring, and a purse. Tote bag is not really a purse. And 2 beauty items, 1 skincare and 1 hair care. That's also one of the reasons that I really love this box. She gives a nice mix of products, and you can get some really cool things like this blue oil. Seriously? All right, I'm here for it. I'm definitely gonna try it out. I'm gonna try it tonight. Sure am. Okay, thanks for stopping by, guys. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also if you want to see more unboxing videos, leave a comment below and tell me if there's something else that you really want to know about one of the products, and I'll definitely try and either answer or do a follow-up video for thoughts and feelings on any of the products in the box. I'm also going to be doing an unboxing for the FabFitFun box. I just subscribed to that also around the same time, so I have one, and I'm going to do an unboxing for that really soon. And thanks for stopping by. See you next time.